If you're looking for affordable new construction homes in one of the hottest areas of Jacksonville, stay tuned. I'm about to take you on a tour of a great community that has it all. Let's go. Hi everyone, my name is Andrea Delancy. If this is your first time watching, I'm a realtor here in Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm here to help you upgrade your home and lifestyle. I post weekly tips on buying or selling a home in the Northeast Florida area, as well as community tours and just living the Jacksonville lifestyle. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of a new construction community that offers not only a great value, but it's located in one of the hottest and fastest growing areas of Jacksonville. If you are thinking about new construction, be sure to check out this video for more information about the process. Welcome to Wells Creek. Wells Creek has two builders to choose from, KB Homes and Mattamy Homes. Today I'm going to focus on Mattamy Homes only because I think they offer the better value. Mattamy offers both single-family homes ranging from the low to upper 400s and townhomes priced in the low 300s. They typically have spec homes or quick move-in homes where they've already chosen the lot, the floor plan, and the interior finishes, and they're at various stages of construction. They usually have completion timeframes anywhere from 3 months to 8 months out. The plus is there are no CDD fees. The annual HOA fee is only $660 per year, and that includes amenities like a resort-style pool and clubhouse, a playground, and a dog park. And one of the things I love about this neighborhood is the walking and biking paths. There are several lakes and lots of open green spaces. The highlight of this particular community is the location. It's just off US 1, about 30 minutes south of downtown Jacksonville, and also about 30 minutes from St. Augustine. It's convenient to I-95 and all the other major roadways. It's minutes from several shopping venues like the new Durbin Pavilion, the St. John's Town Center, and the Avenues Mall. Tons of restaurants, movie theaters, Baptist Hospital, and just 15 minutes to the beach. Mattamy Homes has 13 home designs to choose from in Wells Creek, ranging from 1,400 square feet to 3,000 square feet. Mattamy Homes is considered a production builder, which means they only offer a certain number of pre-selected options in their floor plans. For example, if you're building from the ground up, you could choose to make a certain room an office or an extra bedroom, but they don't let you do custom changes. Mattamy does, however, still offer you a full design center experience, so you can choose all your interior finishes like cabinets, countertops, flooring, and so forth. What I like about Mattamy Homes is their home designs are practical and their options are affordable. One of the most popular floor plans is the linden, and I think it's perfect for a growing family. This 2-story home has 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it's just under 2,700 square feet. The great thing about this plan is it offers 3 different flex rooms to help you get the most out of the living space. Let's take a closer look. At the entrance to the linden, you're greeted by an expansive foyer that looks to the main living area. To the left is the first flex space offered in this home. Shown here as a dining room, it can also be made into a study with French doors. You'll immediately notice the bright and open feel of the main living space. The large windows give way to plenty of natural light. This gourmet kitchen has ample cabinet and countertop space, and you'll love the huge walk-in pantry and under the stairs storage. I love how this space is designed for gathering. It's cozy and functional. Off the main living area, you'll find the second flex space. This comes standard as a half bath and a den, but here it's shown as the optional 5th bedroom and full bath. As we head to the 2nd floor, there's a great size open loft, which serves as a 3rd flex space. This can be used as an office or additional TV or game room. The laundry room is adjacent to the loft. The primary bedroom is to the left of the stairs and has a private entryway, a deluxe bathroom with a large walk-in shower and his and hers vanities, and the smaller of the 2 closets. The 2nd floor also has 3 more spacious bedrooms and a shared hall bath. The linden offers the perfect blend of space and functionality for a growing family's needs. Thanks for watching today, guys. If you'd like more information about Wells Creek or other new construction opportunities anywhere in the Northeast Florida area, feel free to message me anytime. And if you found this video helpful, please take just a second and hit like and drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date on Jacksonville area real estate. See you next time.